Hey there, it's Tim Burrell with the monthly report for the end of the year. It was a fabulous year. We did all sorts of wonderful things with our team, added an additional talent. Judy's developed a staging practice which really helps sell our properties. We stage them all. And we've been doing a lot of fixing and flipping. Helping a lot of clients do that and do a number of the properties ourselves. So if you do have anybody that has a distressed property, or if you know people that do need assistance in selling, frankly, what are less than wonderful homes, we've got quite a talent at doing those sorts of things. And speaking of talent, the real estate market, well, I think it's starting to change. You see that the inventory has been going down and down and down for years. Well, if you compare, month to the same month to the same month on a previous year, inventory went up by 16%. That's quite a big jump. Now, if you take it from the previous month to the last month, it went down by 6%, but that's normal. As you go towards the end of the year, we get less and less people putting their houses on the market, and now that we're here in January, it starts coming back to life. But that's quite a change. You also had, comparing the same month one year to the previous year, 11% more homes listed. So from a trend that's been consistently down, 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 all of a sudden, it just went up. The other thing is we've always had large numbers of showings, kept increasing, more and more people looking. Well, that also went down by 15%. And so if you're comparing this year to last year, that's quite a swing. The number of sales, that's always been going steadily up. Well, pending sales just went down by 3%. If you want to compare the previous month to the current month, down by 16%. Now we've had some wide swings on pending sales, kind of like the stock market. It's been way up, way down, and so from that standpoint, having a swing down to minus 3%, it's not that exciting, but still is a factor. The other thing that's happened is the number of days that it takes to sell a property. We've been hovering in the low 30s, 32, 33, 35. We're up to 49. And all of these things are somewhat consistent in terms of we're getting more houses on the market, we're getting less people looking at them, we're taking a less number of sales and longer days on the market. It's not long enough to really diagnose it as a trend. You need to have more months of the same pattern to call it a trend, but it looks like the beginning of a change in the market. Really important for you to be aware of that so that you know what to do in case you have any real estate interests. Now with the price, it's still going up. Overall, for the entire multiple listing service area, that's up 6%. And for resale homes, that's up 5%. Now, when you consider that we cover 4 counties, it's not just Wake County, you're looking at Durham County, Orange County, and Johnston County. Well, the average price is $325,000. For that big area, having the average be $325,000, that's quite an increase. That's quite a steady progression upwards, which does cause an interesting problem because we've always been so affordable. And the people that do the Affordable Housing Index, they've been doing them for the last 15 years in this area. We have the worst affordability number that we've had in 15 years. In other words, with the interest rates going up and the prices going up, the houses are getting less and less affordable. That makes for quite a change in our area that's always been extremely affordable. So it's going to be an interesting year. As you can see, all these things are starting to move. All of them are starting to switch, and it looks like they're going to go in a different direction. Not long enough for us to really say that's a trend, but if you want to keep your pulse on it, this is important information to let you know that I think things are starting to change. Thank you all for all your support. Without your help, we couldn't have had such a wonderful year. So I greatly appreciate all that you have been able to do for us throughout all the years. And if we can do anything to help you, be happy to put my 39 years of experience to work for you. Thank you.